Good afternoon, Bluebeamers. My name is Troy DeGroot with U Chapter 2, and I'm excited to partner with the team at Brighter Graphics to deliver world-class Bluebeam training and customization services so you can get the most out of your Bluebeam investment. Let's jump into our next example. This one I did for land development. So as an example, these are a couple of different developments close by my house. And so again, I used spaces to create this yellow space representing the whole development. And then I built, I don't have the tool set turned on, but I have tool sets for the types of development. So business use, medium residential, retail, restaurant, business, retail, green space. So if we need a certain amount of a certain percentage of our space to remain green, we lay out that space as well. So you can see I just came in and I took an aerial photo from Google Earth and I traced out the whole area, traced out the existing building, laid out some proposed buildings. And then what I did was I had all of that using quantity link. It's feeding into an Excel file all of those quantities for me. And that's how once that data pulled into an Excel file, I asked it to give me a graph. And then I just did a screenshot, put that on my presentation. So now I can present this to the public or to the city, and it has all of my different percentages of the types of construction within that site. Over here, I've got the same thing. And up here in this development, I've got it all laid out as well. So lots of green space in that one along the river. So that's that example. I hope you learned a thing or two. You can apply it to your work immediately. If you have any questions regarding training or customization services for your company, don't hesitate to reach out to the team at Brighter Graphics or myself. We'd be happy to help you with those.